guys, today I made I'm just reviewing something, not really a review, but I'm going to show you how it's made and what it is and me doing the tricks and stuff. So right here is a butterfly knife, and that. So what I did, I got a 15 hole thing. Like it can be any color, but I just found this color one, and it's 15 holes. You want to make sure that it looks like that, except with this knife. And I had 2 of these 15 ones, and you should get 1 9 hole one. And then there's this a 3 hole brick, and I just put the this black one and these 2 gray ones. And I just put it together like that, and the red one, or whatever color one, but then the 9 hole one goes on the middle one, and then the 15 ones go on the sides, like that. If yours are a tiny bit bigger, like the stuff that make it move, if they're a tiny bit bigger, grab another one of these bricks and put it on the other side. So it's a butterfly knife, and it has 2 for handling, and this is supposed to be the real knife, and just do tricks with it, like this. Back to normal. If I go to the knife, and I can do a trick to go back to original state. Back to the knife, back to normal. This is the beginner trick. So what you want to do, since you have this, so hold it like this, and you want to put your fingers on the holes, because if you do that, the other pieces won't hurt your fingers much. It can still hit your fingers, but it's less likely to hit your fingers. Like, if I'm doing this, it would have hit my fingers, but since I did this, it's just a tiny bit more safe. And it's made of Legos, so it's more safe. So you just touch it, and it doesn't hurt. But the basic trick is you want to grab it, do what I told you, like that. Let it dangle, only hold one. Let the red dangle, and this one, the 15 one, and try lifting it, and right when the 15 one comes, hold it. And set this stage to do it. Use a little bit the 15 one. Do that, and just go in upwards motion. Well, if you like this video, please like and comment. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and turn that bell on so you can be notified when my new videos come out. So, bye!